ba sa mga tao mo? Anak, anong nakakatakot sa kanila? Alam mo, may nag-comment ng ganito. Pero kahit po anong pakita at kahit na maayos na pakikitungo sa kanila, talagang umaabuso sila. Mas lalo na pag alam nilang wala yung may-ari sa Pinas. Yung cook, palaging late, palaging nagse-cellphone, kahit na anong pakiusap na gawin ko. Ay naku anak, this sounds too familiar. I remember my mentee, si Rose, who also runs a restaurant. I found out na puro yes lang ang staff niya kapag kaharap siya. Pero iba ang galawan pag wala siya. Tinanong ko siya if she had someone she trusted to oversee the operations. Meron, pero parang wala din, sabi niya. Actually, problema talaga ito ng maraming mga OFW na business owners. It's human nature na kung hindi nakikita, relax lang. And so, I advise her to start implementing a strict accountability system. 2 months later, during our coaching session, Rose told me, Mami En, malaking bagay pala ang tamang boundaries and consequences. Diba? The thing to be worried about your people ay ang tendency nilang mag-relax at umabuso kapag wala ang boss. Ang solusyon is set clear expectations at consequences. Magkaroon ng competent at reliable na supervisor or manager. Have regular video meetings at surprise checks. Remember, hindi ka masama kung stricto ka sa rules. It's about taking care of the business that brings in money for everyone. Ganyan ang business-minded Pinoy.